So our food, our storage and preparation for all of our food here is held to very strict standards. So to kind of make it all even across the board, we hold the preparation for our birds, our fish, and our mammals all at the same standard.
All the food that we purchase does get checked over after purchase. Once it arrives here, we send samples to a testing lab in California that can give us approximate analysis. Approximate analysis includes looking at percentages of fat, protein, and also the calorie value for the foods, and that's something our veterinarians and the staff can use to evaluate nutritional quality for the animals, and then also it's something we can check periodically to see if there's any change.
So here with the fish and the invertebrates, we kind of mix it up. We alternate their feeds, usually one day a heavy feed where we feed every animal here at the aquarium, and we're usually feeding them silver sides, squid, and sometimes herring. And the other days we're doing a little lighter feed, usually with just two different types of krill. We have Superba krill and Pacifica krill, and both of those are usually just for the animals that have a little higher metabolism and need to eat a little more.
All the animals here have diets that are selected by the various curators or the people in charge of their care. Many of these are food sources that are not available in Alaska simply because there are no fisheries for them. That's particularly true for the seabirds and in some cases for the marine mammals. We do get most of as much as food as we can from the state of Alaska. That includes the herring, salmon, pollock, razor clams, and shrimp of certain types. For instance, we do utilize other oceans, other places in the world that aren't just in Alaska to be able to sustain the animals we have here at the Alaska Sea Life Center. And I'm sort of constantly aware of changes in fisheries, and not every year is the same. One thing is that we live in changing times, and the oceans reflect that.